How to cancel ChatGPT Plus subscription on mobile. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you cancel your ChatGPT Plus subscription on mobile device. Now, depending on whether you're signed up through Apple App Store, Google Play Store, or directly via the OpenAI, what you want to do is simply follow these steps. Now, if you're using an iOS device, you just want to launch Open Settings on your device. And next, you want to go ahead and tap onto your profile initials, or you can just go ahead and tap onto your iCloud ID. There you could find subscription section, then find and select ChatGPT from the list of active subscription, and you could go ahead and cancel subscription and confirm. So this way you're supposed to cancel a ChatGPT plan subscription plus subscription as well. And if you're using a Google Play Store, you just want to open up your Play Store app. Tap onto the profile at the very top right, and you want to go to payment and subscription. There you have payment, and this way you could go ahead and cancel as well. And if you've used your ChatGPT or an OpenAI itself, you want to exit out, open up any browser that you have, type in ChatGPT Plus or ChatGPT.com. Once you do it so, you will be taken to the profile initials, or you'll be taken to the page. Here, you just need to tap the menu from the top left corner. There you want to go to the name at the very bottom. Then you have these plans and all that. You want to tap open that up, and you could go ahead and select cancel plan. So this way you're supposed to do. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.